You have a tight deadline for research project. Google is flooding you with millions of links, most of which are irrelevant. You spend hours clicking, reading, and filtering information. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there is an AI that finds the right way answer for you instantly, no more wasting time? Welcome to Perplexity AI. This AI powered search engine is changing the game for students, researchers, and even business professionals. And today, I will show you exactly how it works and why it must have today in 2025. Hi, I'm Ansh from KnowHow Academy. Let's see what we're gonna learn in this video. We will see why Perplexity AI is called the sequel to Google, how to use Perplexity AI like a pro. Then we see real world use case. And last, we're gonna see final thoughts plus bonus tips for that. Sounds great, right? Let's get started. Let's start with our first topic, which is why Perplexity is called the sequel to Google. You need an answer fast. You had the Google, type in your questions, and suddenly you are hit with millions of results. Some are outdated, others are clickbait, and the rest are filled with ads. Now, you are stuck scrolling, clicking, and verifying multiple sources just to get a straight answer for that. Sounds little bit frustrating, right? Now imagine a smarter way. What if instead of digging through endless links, an AI could instantly provide the most accurate answer with a verified source? No clicking, no distraction, just pure reliable information in just seconds. That's exactly why Perplexity is known as the sequel to Google. It takes the power of AI and combines it with research grade accuracy to give you answer that really matters. But the question is why Perplexity is better than Google? Let's be real here. Google has been our go-to search engine for years, but have you ever found yourself drawing in millions of search results, clicking on sketchy links and wasting time just to find a reliable answer? Now, let's put Google head to head with Perplexity and see who comes out on the top. So, first it's our Google, the information jungle. That is too many results. One search, you are flooded with pages of SEO optimizer. Like if I show you here, like it's my Google, and in Google, if I talk about how traffic light work, see you have been there with millions of SEO links over there. Too much efforts like click, scan, verify, and but still half the results are outdated or irrelevant. Ad overloaded, you can see there are so many ads over there and they're outdated. Also sponsor content, ever search for something and spend 20 minutes just filtering through junk? Yup, we will all be there. Now it's come to Perplexity AI, your smart research assistant that is direct trust answers. No need to click a dozen links. Perplexity give you a straight answer with a verified source. Like if I go to my Perplexity, for that, you need to click new tab and click here perplexity.ai. Go here and type here how how traffic light works. And in just seconds, it will summarize complex topics, whether it's AI, finance, or history. It break it down for you instantly. Here we have asked about how traffic light works, so it will give you the proper reference links, how it actually works with the proper time, every images and reference links and content properly. Zero ads, zero distraction, just pure knowledge. No annoying pop-ups, no scrolling through stuff. So by this, we can see that Perplexity wins clearly. Google is like a giant library where you have to dig through books to find the right information, but Perplexity is like having a personal librarian who hand you the exact answer in just second. Now, we have already tested by explaining how traffic light works. So if you see in Google it shows millions of links. You can't able get it properly, but once you go to Perplexity and here you type how traffic light works, it will tell you exactly signal timing plans, detecting system, phase and cycles, and everything. Once you use it, you will never search the old way again. Now, second is Mastery Perplexity AI Like Pro. Let's see a live demo here. Let me show you just how easy it to use Perplexity AI here. Let me show you that. Our step is to go to Perplexity AI, which I was already been there. Now, our second step is to type, question just like Google. We asked about how traffic light works here, and you can get a source of deeper research. Use follow-up question to refine your answer. For example, I already asked about it. Let's take a one more example. If I asked about what are the best AI tools for marketing, what are best AI tools for marketing? And let's see what it will give me answer. So here you can see with the reference of source of 8 sources: content creations for social media management, SEO optimization, email marketing, ad campaign management. That's what Perplexity AI is. It researching feels effortless, making it perfect for student, professionals, and anyone who value their time here. So let me go with overview of what Perplexity AI have. So we can see it's our prompt where we can type anything. Here you can see it's a deeper search option, just like DeepSeek AI and any other AI tools. We also had a pro version of it, like Pro 3 enhanced queries remaining today, like just like premium versions of everything. And then we have here, from here you can upload anything, like summarizing, you want to analyze data or anything like that, you can do from here. And the best feature is once you get the data, you had video links, you get source links, you get content, you get images that will so much relevance for student and researchers. So I guess from this you can get what Perplexity is and what's the interface about it. Now let's move on to our next topic, which is real world use case, why Perplexity is a total game changer. Think of all the time you have wasted digging through Google search results, scrolling past ads, and clicking on sketchy website. Now imagine a world where you get instant reliable answer with source. No fluff, no distraction. That's the magic of Perplexity AI. So who can benefit from the powerhouse tool? Let's break it down here. First, for student and researchers, your ultimate study hack is here. No more Wikipedia rabbit holes. Get straight to the point, trustworthy answer with verified sources. Second, ditch hours of Googling. Get research papers summarized and in depth analyzed in seconds. Try this prompt. If I say summarize the impact of climate change, uh, summarize the impact of climate change in 100 words, in 100 words. Okay. Here you can see once you get it. So for the researchers and student, you will get the proper content with proper reference over here. And you can go down, you can see some of the related questions like what are the main consequences, what does climate change impact, everything like that. Now, let's come for content creators and writers. Never run out of ideas. Are you struggling with writer's block? Let's Perplexity brainstorm blog ideas, video script, or social media captions. Need research for your next viral post? Get instant insight with your citation here. Try this prompt with me. If I asked him that about give me 5 trending YouTube videos, give me 5 trending YouTube videos on like about AI with statistic, on AI with let's see what it will answer me. So here it will starting creating plan. It will go for pro search here. Pro search means it will go for depth knowledge about it. See, it was reading all the YouTube channels, OpenAI versus Google AI video statistic. Like what is relevant 5 trending topics for me, it will give me that topics only. Nothing more than that, nothing less than that. See, first it will give me about OpenAI versus Google, the ultimate showdown. So, which was very much trending right now. From once you click on here, it has a very much specification that you can directly go from Perplexity AI to that link. So, if I click on watch here, so it will take me directly to the YouTube channel. What's that video all about? See, that's the video. Now, next is second is the most insane AI news this week. Google Smart AI model now free for all. Inside YouTube weird world of fake AI, folded movie trailers, 5 best AI video generators, like this. Now it's come for business professionals. Stay ahead of the game. Are you tired of reading endless reports? Get quick, disable, summarize for market trends. Need competitor insight? Ask Perplexity for instant comparison in business analysis. Try this prompt with me and you will get your idea. If I say like compare Tesla stock trends with, if I say with, okay, trends and what we say, Rivian stock, Rivian, Rivian stock performance in the last year with source. Let's see what did we answer me. So it will go for pro search here. Once it will done, it will give me a proper insights about the Tesla stock trends and Rivian stock trends. It will give you the finding. It will going through all other research papers, YouTube videos, and everything. And see, here I got the Tesla Inc. and with the finance of it, like it's $263, and that is like going down and down. And with the Rivian stock trends, current price is this, and Tesla current price is this, and what is the comparison between them, both comparison and related questions. Now let's come for investors and analytics. Make smarter decision faster. Market moving fast. Get instant summarize of financial trends and breaking news. Too much noise, right? Perplexity filter out the fluff and deliver straight fact. Try this prompt and you will get the idea. If I say that summarize today's top 3 stock market news, summarize today top 3 stock market, what we say, stock market trends with insights. Let's see what it will give answer me with that. So here you can see it will answer me that here are the top 3 stock market trends observed in 31st March, and US market decline, sector specific insights. What does today's news that all mention here? Perplexity AI equals to your personal research superpower. No matter who are you, what you do, this AI super change your productivity once you try. So let's wrap up and see what we have covered in this video. We have seen why Perplexity is called the sequel to Google. Then we see how to use Perplexity AI like a pro. Then we have seen real world use case like how student, professionals and business benefits with that. Perplexity AI is not just search engine, it's knowledge assistant that save you time and effort. If you're not giving it in 2025, you are missing out. Use Perplexity Pro mode for deeper research and exclusive insight. That's bonus tip for you. Thank you for choosing Know Academy, your source of IT knowledge. We always here to help you and navigate you to the tech world.